Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful peach smoky eye. This was requested. It was requested to do LaColors looks with the EyeVault collection. Luckily I kept this kit and I'm so glad that I did because y'all wanted to see more looks with it. This was a Christmas set in 2018 at the Family Dollar for $5. So to get started, I'm using the Covergirl Lid Lock Up eyeshadow primer, and I have an eyeshadow shield there because there is tons of fallout with this palette, girls. We're going to be taking from the natural side of the palette first, and we're just going to be taking this cool toned brown. Any kind of close to your skin tone or shade, grab that cool toned, warm toned, whatever you personally want to do. Today I did feel a little bit more cool toned with the crease color, so I'm just windshield wipering that in the crease real easy, kind of messily, because it doesn't matter, you're not going to see much of this shade anyways, and you just get it in there. Just blend that into the crease, and there we have it. That's the crease done. Next up, we're going to be taking the beautiful golden peach shade in the palette. First time applying that with an eye shader brush in the inner corner and all over the lid. Well, actually 3/4 of the lid. And then, because I'm going to leave the outer blank, and then I'm going to take HardCandy's Glow Setting Spray. I'm going to get the eyeshadow on my brush first, and then I'm going to spray the shadow. Now when I dip back into the eyeshadow, I only do it in one spot of the eyeshadow pan, not to ruin the entire eyeshadow because the brush is still a little bit wet. Get what I'm saying? Next up in the palette, we're going to be taking this Dusty Plum shade, and it's more like on the cool side as well, and that is going to be our outer corner color, our outer corner shade. And I'm just going to take that on a pencil brush. Now I'm applying in the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it up against that orbital bone. Now you'll be able to feel that orbital bone up there, and that's where the crease line really is, and use that as a guideline. Like I use it all the time, and it just makes things a lot easier. So after we place the color and a little bit in the outer corner up onto the orbital bone and against that, if that makes sense, we're blending that out. We're going to go between adding color and blending out, and just keep building and blending out, and then you're going to get a nice smoky effect. And it's like salt and pepper. You want to add a little at a time, not to overdo it, because the more you add at one time, you could mess it up so quick, especially if you're using black eyeshadow. So I would definitely, especially if you're new to smoky eyes, or you just, need more practice at them, I would definitely not use black yet. Just work your way up with some dark browns, some plummy shades. And also, we're going to, from the neutral side, we're taking the two lightest shades, a matte and a shimmery in the palette, and I'm using that as the problem. I'm also going to be taking the Dusty Plum underneath the eye on the lash line, and then we're using the LaColors black pencil that came with the kit. Not so great, but I'm using it anyways for the sake of using this kit. The eyeshadows are okay as well, but just really powdery. If you don't own this LaColors liquid eyeliner, you can find this at Dollar General still. It's amazing, it's great, it is super black, and it's the greatest. You need to try it for $1.50. These are the lashes that came with the kit, so just using those with Kish Lash Adhesive. Pretty easy to apply, and then the black mascara that came with the kit as well, just to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes. Now if you don't want to do lashes, don't do lashes. Just use whatever mascara and eyeliners you want to use. I just wanted to use the entire kit since I still had it in my collection. That's the finished look. Now for lips, I'm using LaColors Pout Lip Gloss Matte in Naked. I love these. I have whole videos on them. Do recommend them. They are a bit sticky, but they are not matte lipsticks. They are lip glosses. They're great. Okay, and I got this fan from the Dollar Tree to fan my setting spray, and it's going to take a while to learn how to open it very quickly. Now, before the video's even over, as you can tell, the lash started flaring up, but I fixed it later on, and this look came out really nicely. Hope you enjoyed it. Find it easy to recreate. I thank you always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for product list, and stay tuned for more LaColors videos.